Welcome to my channel, Intelligent Quiz Explorer. Think you're a real gearhead? Only 5% of car lovers can pass this ultimate night mode challenge. You have just 5 seconds to name the car brand based entirely on the shape of its headlights. Let's see if you can get a perfect score. Can you guess this car with just its headlight? Mustang. Can you guess this one? Jeep Wrangler Halo. Can you guess this one? Audi. Volvo. BMW. Tesla Model 3. Porsche 911. Bugatti Chiron. Rolls-Royce. Lamborghini. How many did you get right? Are you a true car expert or do you need to study the roads? Make sure to subscribe to Intelligent Quiz Explorer for your daily dose of high-end visual challenges.